Life too short to be bad. Life too short to be bad.
All these years that I've been coming around here, and I want my
life too short to be playing them games. Trying to keep it simple and plain. Life too short for that motherfucking bullshit. Yeah, for that motherfucking bullshit. She don't even love me like she used to. And the point of that, I'm just used to. Look, hey, life too short to be caught in the drama. Too short to let the nonsense bring you trauma. I've been through the fire, now I'm walking through the rain. Cutting off the extra weight, leaving all the pain. They say love is a game, but I'm done with the trick. I'm done with the fake smiles and the quick fix. Life's too short to keep dancing with a lie. I'm living for the truth, I can see it in my eyes. Life's too short to be playing them games. Tryna keep it simple and plain, but life too short for that motherfucking bullshit. For that motherfucking bullshit. She don't even love me like she used to. And the point of that, I'm just used to. For the ones who ain't real. No time for the people who can't feel. If you ain't riding with me through the lows and the highs, then you ain't coming with me when I finally ride. Life too short for regrets and the stress. I'm living every moment like it's blessed. So keep your games and your lies on my lane. I'm cutting through the noise, just staying in my frame. Life too short to be playing them games. Keep it simple and plain. Life too short for that motherfucking bullshit. Yeah, for that motherfucking bullshit. She don't even love me like she used to. And the point of that, I'm just used to.